If you are the organizer of a LinkedIn event, you have access to attendee or registrant data that you can export for follow-ups, lead tracking, or reporting. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download that data step by step. First, log into LinkedIn and navigate to the event you created. It might be either in your personal account or company account. In my case, it's in my company account. So in the left navigation bar, I'm going to click on Events, then Past Events, and select the one that I need. Once you are inside your event page, click on this Show In-Depth Analytics button. This opens the organizer dashboard where you control registrations, settings, and attendee information. Now look for the export or download option. LinkedIn allows organizers to download registrant data, typically in a CSV format. So here on the right side, you can see I have the export button. So I'm going to click on it. Once downloaded, open the file. You'll typically see fields like name, job title, company, email, depending on what attendees provided during registration. And that's how you export LinkedIn event attendees as an organizer. You can use this attendee list to run targeted follow-ups, reach out to warm leads who already showed interest in your topic, or add them directly into your CRM. If you found this helpful, make sure to save this video for your next LinkedIn event. See you in the next one.